Welcome. I'm very excited today to show you a software that I've been working on for a while now. It's called Celer Sight AI. It's a high throughput image analysis software that is made to be as simple as possible to use. So let's go over a sample experiment today to see how this can benefit your experiments. All right, so when we open the application, we're greeted with a super category section. So for every super category, there is a set of classes that we can use. For the sake of this experiment, we will be working with worms. We would like to do a body analysis, and we will be measuring the intensity of the body. All right, so this is the main application. On the left here, you can see the workflow tab. You have everything you need here to do the analysis. The first button, Get ROI, generates all the ROIs for you, and the second button, Analyze, executes the analysis process. Then you have the Light tab for controlling the brightness, the ROI tab for controlling the brightness and the color of the ROIs. Then you have the Labels tab, which is essentially the classes. On the right, you have your treatments. You can have multiple treatments, and every treatment can have multiple images. Okay, let's drag and drop some images in to start off the experiment. Here, as you can see, we have a GFP strain. We will increase the brightness a little bit. This is quite dark. All right, so now let's go over the tools and how we're going to go about generating our ROIs. You have the selection tool, you have the eraser tool, brush move tool. I will explain what this is in a bit. You have the polygon tool. This is your classical polygon ROI tool. And then you have your magic ROI tool. This is my favorite. This is the easiest one to use. All you have to do is create a bounding box around the area of interest, and it will generate the ROI for you. Great. All right. So obviously, a researcher might have hundreds or thousands of images that they're trying to use for their experiment, and they want ROIs for all of those images. And you can't go around and create ROIs for each one of your subjects. That's why, since we have the body class right here, we can go to the Get ROI tab, click on it. This will initiate the analysis with the deep learning model. All right. As you can see, we only want the areas that are not touching the edge of the image. Great. Right. So for this ROI, you can see that it's not 100% as we wanted it. So what we can do is we can select it right here. We can click on the brush move tool. All right. So what this does is it selects all of the points within that area and it moves them together. This can save a lot of time if you have an ROI that has a lot of points. Great, everything else looks good. And we can kick off our analysis. Once the analysis is complete, it's going to switch over to the Data tab right here. And as you can see, we have our metric, which is mean intensity right now. The channel, we want the green channel, and the ROI, which is the body. These are our values, and we can copy them over to another software if we would like Excel or GraphPad. And you can copy them over as a dot or a comma, depending on which side of the world you're in. Excellent. All right, so let's increase the difficulty a little bit, and let's say that we're analyzing the same kind of worms, but we would like to measure the intensity of the area of the head over the intensity of the area of the body. That's a little bit more complex. And how we're going to go about it is we can go right here, select Add. There's already an area of the head, and add that. You can see right here, the class head has the class body as its parent. What this means is that we can just create ROI right here. And as you can see, it doesn't go over the area of the parent right here. Great. So we don't want to go ahead and regenerate all the regions of interest for the body. since we already have them, we can go over here to the class, right click on the head, and select Get ROI. This will initiate the process just for the head. Great. All right. So now that the process is complete, we can see that there are some regions missing and some that need adjustment. So there is an extra region here. We can just go ahead and delete that. Okay, that's good. And we need to add this one in. So again, with the magic ROI, just select it like so, and it's ready. Okay, everything looks good, and we can go ahead and click on Analyze. Once the analysis is complete, it's going to switch over to the Data tab. And this time, we can see that there are multiple options for the ROI. For our case, we want to select the head over body, and we want to select the green channel. And there you have it.